Ever wondered what makes squirrel monkeys so extraordinary? Let's dive into their world. First up, squirrel monkeys are pint-sized powerhouses. Weighing in at just over a pound, they're tiny but mighty in the treetops. Next, their tails are like nature's Swiss Army knives, not for swinging, but for balance and communicating with their troop. Third, these little acrobats have supersized brains. Proportionally, their brains are the largest among primates, making them clever and curious. Fourth, their diet is a gourmet's delight, from fruits and insects to small vertebrates. Squirrel monkeys are true connoisseurs of the forest buffet. And finally, their social lives are as lively as a carnival. Living in troops of up to 500, they thrive on friendship and fun. So there you have it, 5 incredible facts about the captivating squirrel monkeys. Stay wild, folks.